back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am on a new place. Well, I mean, it's not new, it's just my desk. It's always been here, but I just felt like filming on this side because this side is semi-clean and that side is semi-dirty, so hope you guys don't mind. So anyways, today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. I just got it today from the PO box. I mean, it was in the PO box for like 3 days, but we just didn't have time to go get it. More like my boyfriend didn't have time to go get it because my boyfriend would come late from work, so the PO box was already closed. And so yeah, anyways, I'm super excited. Well, I'm not that excited because I already looked inside of the box and I already know what's in here, and I did open it because I did want to disinfect everything. So yeah, anyways, here is my Boxycharm, nice and clean, and here is the inside of my Boxycharm. It's super cute, and this time I did get a card. It's this one right here, and this month's theme is called Mother Nature. This is what the card looks like. It's super pretty, and on the side it says packed with gloves and love. And I got variation number 8. But anyways, I'm going to begin with the item that I chose for this month, and I chose the Hollywood California Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. This one right here. I chose this because I didn't want to get more cleansing pads, or what was the other thing? Oh, the other thing, it was already out of stock, so that's why I couldn't get it. And I think it was like a stick highlighter, and I wanted that, but I didn't have any other choice but to choose this. But I mean, I also love face masks, so I'm really happy that I got this. So this Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask retails for $49. It does smell like berries, and it looks like a smoothie in there. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm super excited to try this mask on. I'll probably try it on tonight, and hopefully it doesn't irritate my skin. It says that this is a creamy, nutrient-dense smoothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotic that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. I don't know. B-I-O-M-E. Biome? I don't know. But I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, so now this next thing I am not excited about, and it is a lip pencil by Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Underground, and it's this one right here. And I'm not excited about this lip pencil because, as you guys can see, it is brown, and I don't use brown lipsticks or liners. So yeah, I'm not really happy about this. I wish it was a different shade that I could actually use, but it's not. And I don't know if you guys saw my Gerard Cosmetics mystery box unboxing a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago or so, and I think I got the same lip pencil. So I'm just going to put this in a future giveaway for whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers, if I even reach 1,000 subscribers. But anyways, I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway, and this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil retails for $16. Okay, so the next product that I received, it is a pretty vulgar. It is the eyeshadow primer, and it's this one right here. It's a super cute packaging, and it looks pretty small, but I don't know. So anyways, this pretty vulgar uncaged eyeshadow primer retails for $22. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have like 2 or 3 eyeshadow primers that I'm working on right now. So once I'm done with those, I'll use this one. Okay, so the next product that I received, it's not super exciting for me, but it's okay, I guess. And it's these makeup remover wipes, Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum by I Am Beauty Care, and it's these right here. I've never heard of this brand before, so I don't know. Hopefully they work. And it does come with 25 makeup remover wipes. This I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum makeup remover wipes retail for $17. So supposedly these wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous, designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they work. Okay, now on to the last product. So this product I am excited about, but I think people already got this a couple of months ago, and it is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette, and it's this one right here. And this is what it looks like inside. It's really cute and I'm really happy that I got this, so I am going to be using it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys received this same palette a couple of months ago, because I feel like people did receive it like last year in November or December. I don't know. And you know what? I'm actually going to look and see if that's what everyone got in December. For some reason, it doesn't let me go back all the way till December, so I'm going to check their Instagram. Okay, so apparently other people received this same palette in September of 2019. I feel like it kind of sucks that they sent products from past boxes, but I am okay with this palette because I didn't have this palette and I did want this palette because it was super cute and I finally have it. But anyways, this Violet Voss Essentials palette retails for $29. And that is everything from my box. Let me know in the comments below if you guys received any of these products that I received, or what did you guys receive in your box. Oh, and before I end this video, I am going to add up all the prices and see the total value of this box. What is $49 plus $29 plus $22 plus $17 plus $16?
The answer is 133 United States dollars.
So even though I wasn't really excited about these two products, I am really happy with my box and I feel like it's still worth the $25. And so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.